Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create this radial gradient background in Canva, a designing platform where the color mix will start from the center point of the workspace. So let's start creating one. Click on custom size, and then let's say the width and the height will be 1920 by 1080 pixels, and then click on create new design. Afterwards, you click on the background and then click on the color wheel, and then click on the plus symbol and then head over to gradient. Here we are. We get to pick the color for the outer edge of the radial gradient. For example, this shade of purple. And for the center, let's say we pick orange, just like this. There are some gradient styles. For example, this linear gradient, and then this vertically linear gradient, and this gradient, diagonal gradient, that's to say, and then this gradient, this radial gradient, where the radial gradient is centered at the top left corner, and when you click on it, this is radial gradient. Pretty fancy, isn't it? Now, your background has this radial gradient with the color mix, which starts from the center point of the canvas or the workspace, just like this. Change the color of the gradient with the colors that you want, just like this. Or even you want to make it pink, and then for the center, you make it yellow, just like this, or maybe a shade of blue, just like so. That's how you can create radial gradient background in Canva. For your designs, for the background of your posters, your advertisements, or even your basic designs. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.